Magnetic Destoner for flour mill. Highly advanced magnetic separator called Magnetic Destoner from Jaykrishna Magnetics Pvt. Limited. We've designed high-intensity magnetic destoner for the separation process in a flour mill. Our magnetic destoner have high-intensity magnets for the effective separation process. Magnetic destoner can be used for the separation of mud balls, black stones and other paramagnetic impurities. You can see how the impurities have been removed from the product. Final wheat after the separation process. Impurities which is removed from wheat. To know more about our magnetic destoner, visit our website www.jkmagnetic.com. Click on the bell icon to get notified and never miss a new video.